Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I can't hear you, bro.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening!
They're here to clean boogers.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
You guys are slow.
What the hell? Oh my god.
Brother, don't touch that.
I can't wait anymore. I'm hungry.
Yellow guys, please remove this.
Bruh.
I'm faster than you.
Hey, shut the fuck up! Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Bled too chewy.
Hey, what happened?
Get out!
Oh my god. Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out! Yeah, boy!
Oh no!
Bye-bye!
These guys are useless.
What's that?
Get this slimy thing out.
You taste like paperwork.
Sakadung kading padung ding.
I think Anomaly tastes bad. The slimy monster didn't like it.
Get over here!
Prepare to die.
Hey, yo!
Sorry, because you're green too.
I am not the slime.
Are you sure? So many squishes.
Back with another milk. Hey!
Don't care. Don't care.
Oh no! Enough.
I'll be back.
No!
They are going.
Did you miss me?
Who are you?
Hazmat Cat.
I can handle the slime and some anomalies.
Get the hell out! Get out!
I won't let you down.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This cat is just as useless as the previous team.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Sprays themselves in the visor. In the visor.
This is the end.
Almost got it. Almost. The team never let me use the gun.